Okay, so what I was saying, this. Now see,
G7.
you were asking some question, na? Now I will clear your doubt here. See, there has been oil crisis around the world because oil is the main important things. Like we create energy with that, na? Oil like natural gas. All right. So see, oil crisis has happened. So some countries who are like-minded countries,
Like?
they like-minded means
Okay,
similar
same
thoughts.
thoughts.
Right? So they have made a group.
Group.
This is called G7. Now tell me who are the member of the G7?
Canada, France, Germany, Italy.
See, two countries from North America and four countries from Europe and
Japan.
one country is from
Japan.
Asia.
Yes.
So these like you have to remember. One country is from Asia because Japan is a good friend of USA. Yes, four countries from Europe and two countries from North America. They are G7. And if we include Russia in that, this becomes
G8.
G8. Yeah, G8. And if we include some more countries, so this is become G20. And India is also in that. China is also in that. The interesting thing is that Pakistan is not a member of
G20.
G20. So this question can be asked. Now tell me, do you watch cricket? You don't watch, right?
Sometimes.
So tell me, how many cricket team are there in G20? So how do you think sometimes?
I watch just cricket match, not behind background. So it's not member of G20.
They see India's cricket team, Australia's cricket team, and the UK. There are three countries who are cricket team which are member of G20 actually. So see what is the reason behind the formation of G20? Do you know what? Because there has been financial crisis around the world. So they have said that see all the major, this is the platform where all the major country of the world are in single group. All the major countries. See USA, Japan, Australia, China, India, Russia, Italy, France, Brazil, all the member countries of the world, 20 member countries are the G20. So they have made the plan for the financial crisis, and recently this has happened in India 2023.
What?
G20 meeting.
Yeah. In India.
It happened in 2 years. Yes. But see, the problem was that African country was not a member of G20. So they have made a separate group. This is called G77. I have not written there. You can G77, G77 countries. Their African countries are there. Yeah.
G7 plus African, na? G20 plus African, na?
Yeah.
G20 plus Africa.
Yeah.
Plus Africa.
Then there is one council, Gulf Cooperation Council. Do you know what it is? What it is?
Kuwait, Bahrain, Persian Gulf.
Yeah, Persian Gulf. So the interesting thing is that Iran is in Gulf countries, but Iran is not a member of
GCC.
Yeah, this is important actually.
Why?
Because Saudi Arabia is there, na? And Saudi Arabia and Iran are enemy actually, like
Why
Pakistan
Iran
and India.
is enemy to everyone?
Because Iran has its own like dictatorship policy, like North Korea. They follow its own rules and everything. That's all. Yeah. So see, there are six countries. Kuwait. See the map. Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi. Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, and Oman. 6 countries are there, right?
6, huh?
Yeah. And then Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Do you know what is the beauty of this? Second largest intergovernmental organization after United Nations.
Organization of Islamic.
I have made you right here. I think you have written.
This is not. It is different, no? Cooperation.
Oh, I see. I think you have written here. So.
Where? You didn't written. You have done after, na?
Okay.
No, you forgot.
So this is second largest intergovernmental organization after United Nations, and India is not a member of it. So this is because it
not
is
Islamic.
Yeah, good. And see, and it has 59 members.
Countries. 59 Islamic countries are there.
Yeah, almost. And see, the next is OPEC. OPEC, do you know? Organization of petroleum exporting country, the country who export petrol. So India is not a member of it. Russia is also, see, Russia is a good exporter of petroleum, but still Russia is not a member. So
Why?
this is important things.
Why?
Okay, not member. They have not made the member of it. I don't know.
Okay.
And headquarters in Vienna. Vienna means Austria.
Where? Vienna.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this was the. Now there are some organization in Asia level. ASEAN,
Yes.
Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Is India a member of it?
Mm,
No.
no.
India is not a member of ASEAN. It has been established in 1967 for the cooperation between Asian countries, South Asian countries actually. It has 10 members, right? Then has been established SARC 1985. Do you know what is interesting thing? Bangladesh has made the plan to create this organization
Which one?
to counter
SARC?
to counter India,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
SARC.
And yeah, and do you know what is interesting thing? India is already member of it.
SARC.
Yeah, and Bangladesh created this. And if India is a member, then Pakistan is also member. Because Pakistan has said that if India will become member, then I will also become member.
Why?
Because Pakistan follow India. And Pakistan does not let a meeting happens. So it is not stuck down, SARC. So to remove SARC, no, to remove Pakistan, they have created one new organization, that is BIMSTEC. And in BIMSTEC there is no Pakistan. That's why it has 7 members. Right? Yeah. Then there is an SCO. Do you know NATO has been established for the USA? So Asian NATO is called SCO. And India is also member of it. If India is a member, then Pakistan is also member of
It
it.
is a military alliance, no?
Yes, a kind of.
Kind of, not a
Not
pure.
fully, kind of, you can say. Shanghai Cooperation Organization it is called. Yeah, it has a 9+1 member. The interesting thing is that Iran is also member of it because USA is not member, na.
Shanghai.
Yeah, so. And they see ASEAN I have discussed with you. ASEAN has 10 member and add 8 member more. So that becomes, you know what, East Asia Summit.
Extra 8.
Extra 8 you can add in ASEAN, that becomes East Asia Summit. It has 18 member. And the interesting thing is that India, USA, Japan, Australia, all are member of East Asia Summit. Means all major countries. Yes.
India is a member.
Yeah, this you remember. Now, there is one more organization, that is APEC,
Okay.
Asia Pacific Economic Corridor. You can write here only because there are less organization now. Not many. You can write, yeah, any places. Here you can write somewhere.
I will show. I will write here. Tell me.
APEC,
Hmm.
Asia Pacific Economic Corridor.
Asia Pacific Economic Corridor.
Corridor, right? And it means 1989 it has been established and headquarters in Singapore, and India is not a member.
Headquarter in
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yes. And
Singapore, where it is Singapore? Here, no?
yeah,
Here,
yeah.
Malaysia. Singapore is a
Very
separate
developed,
country.
very developed countries.
Separate country.
Yeah, separate country.
It is not a.
It is in Asia, but it is a but very developed country. It is very developed countries.
Then we are not able to see news Singapore.
Yeah, because it does not involve in politics actually. That's why. It does not have any war with any countries. Very peaceful countries.
Very small one, na?
Small and very peaceful country as well. So see, India is
See,
not a member of it.
North Korea is closed. How can they manage? We are
They are
the big
self-producing everything.
currency.
Self-producing everything like every
North Korea currency.
name currency. They have own currency. They do not trade with any other.
Mm.
Yeah. See, India is not a member of APEC. Tell me the reason.
Asia Pacific Economic Corridor. Reason? Okay. Maybe China is a member.
Because
Pacific
India does not come in Pacific Ocean.
Yeah,
That's
Pacific.
why. And yeah.
But it is Asia. No?
Yeah. So see, now I am telling you 4 organization that is very very important, right? Australia, New Zealand, and US.
Yes, 3 countries. No?
There are 3 countries. It has been established in 1951.
Okay.
Then here 5 I's: Australia, New Zealand, US, and Canada and UK. Then Quad, you already know: Australia, Japan, India,
USA,
and USA. And AUKUS, Australia, UK, and US. The interesting thing is that Australia is a member of all 4, and USA is also member of all 4, but India is a member of only Quad. So these are the organizations basically which has been created for the mutual cooperation. But this has been created to counter China. Quad. Free open prospect in the Pacific. So these things you have to keep in mind, that the Australia and US are all the member of these.
Australia and US.
All the member of all these 4, right? And now there's a list. India is not member of these all 5 organizations. 5 not 6 organizations. This is called what? IOC. I told you,
Island.
Islamic Cooperation Organization,
Okay.
right? Then this is ASEAN. India is not a member.
Southeast Asian
Yeah.
nations.
P5 permanent member.
Member.
APEC, Asia Pacific Economic
Pacific.
Corridor.
OPEC.
OIC.
Islamic Cooperation. This one. No?
Yeah. And this is what?
Island.
This is what? IOC.
IOC. Organization of Islam. IOC. Not there. Conference.
What conference?
Commission.
Indian Ocean
Commission.
Commission. Yeah.
Ocean Commission.
Yeah. And the last one, NSG.
And
Negotiation Group. So I have made it together so that there is no confusion.
And
See,
this remaining of
India is a member generally of all the major organizations. So see, these are the major international organizations. Whenever you will get newspaper reading, when you will get in your IR notes or other things, so you can relate with there. Always keep it with you. They're always going to help you. I have told you in chronological order and the purpose behind that, the nature of their headquarter of their, why they have been formed, India is member of not, all these things.